Across the vast canvas of the cosmos, hidden within the intricate folds of space-time, lie phenomena so mysterious and profound they defy the limits of human imagination. Among these cosmic enigmas, white holes stand as perhaps one of the most puzzling and elusive. Predicted by Einstein's equations, yet never observed, these theoretical entities appear as the mirror opposite of black holes, cosmic outflows rather than inescapable traps. They challenge our fundamental understanding of space, time, and causality, provoking questions that stretch from the edges of physics to the heart of philosophy. Could white holes be real? Could they even be gateways through time? To understand white holes, we must first journey back to the early 20th century, when Albert Einstein unveiled his general theory of relativity. This monumental framework transformed gravity from a mysterious force into the very curvature of space-time itself, a dynamic fabric shaped by mass and energy. This theory led to predictions of singularities, points where gravity becomes infinite, and the black holes that surround them. For decades, black holes remained theoretical curiosities until astronomical observations and gravitational wave detections confirmed their existence beyond doubt. These cosmic titans consume stars and matter alike, their gravity so fierce that nothing escapes their grasp. Yet, embedded within the same equations that describe black holes are solutions that hint at their counterparts, white holes. Where black holes trap everything inside, white holes appear as cosmic fountains, eternally ejecting matter and light, refusing entry to anything else. This duality evokes a universe of symmetry and balance, suggesting cosmic processes that may extend beyond destruction into rebirth and renewal. White holes pose a paradox that tantalizes and frustrates physicists alike. While the concept arises naturally from mathematical solutions to Einstein's equations, no white hole has ever been detected. Unlike black holes, which reveal themselves through their gravitational pull and emissions from infalling matter, white holes would emit matter and energy explosively without allowing anything inside, a phenomenon that has no known counterpart in observed astrophysics. Could these be transient bursts of matter, spewing forth from a hidden region of space-time? Some theorists speculate that white holes could be connected to the mysterious fast radio bursts or gamma-ray bursts observed in distant galaxies, but these connections remain speculative. White holes may represent windows into the extreme, exotic conditions of space-time where conventional physics gives way to quantum gravity, or they may exist only fleetingly, born and destroyed on cosmic timescales beyond our current observational reach. Central to our understanding of the universe is the arrow of time, the seemingly irreversible progression from past to future, rooted in the second law of thermodynamics. Entropy, or the measure of disorder, inexorably increases, dictating the flow of time and ensuring that broken eggs don't spontaneously reassemble and memories remain anchored in the past. Yet, white holes seem to defy this arrow, representing regions where time's flow could be reversed, where matter emerges spontaneously, seemingly restoring order from chaos. This conceptual challenge invites profound questions. Is time's arrow absolute? Or can it bend and loop under extraordinary conditions? Could the universe itself be cyclical, with time folding back on itself in a cosmic dance of death and rebirth? These questions bridge physics and philosophy, compelling us to reconsider not just the mechanics of the universe, but the nature of reality and our experience within it. The notion of white holes naturally leads to the tantalizing idea of wormholes, hypothetical tunnels connecting disparate points in space-time. Wormholes could link black holes and white holes, creating shortcuts across vast cosmic distances, or even allowing travel through time itself. These constructs, once relegated to science fiction, are now serious subjects of scientific inquiry. Could these cosmic tunnels enable time travel? If so, what paradoxes might arise? Would we risk altering the past or becoming trapped in loops of causality? Wormholes challenge the very foundations of physics, inviting us to explore the nature of cause and effect in a universe where space and time might not be as rigid as they seem. One of the greatest challenges in physics today is the reconciliation of general relativity with quantum mechanics, a quest known as the search for quantum gravity. Black holes lie at the heart of this puzzle, presenting the information paradox. Classical theory suggests that information swallowed by black holes is lost forever, contradicting quantum theory's rule that information must be preserved. White holes could be the cosmic key to this paradox, potentially releasing trapped information and preserving the fundamental laws of quantum mechanics. This cosmic recycling of information would reveal a universe that is not only orderly, but fundamentally interconnected at every scale. Such discoveries could revolutionize physics, reshaping our understanding of reality's deepest principles. Despite their profound theoretical significance, white holes remain stubbornly elusive. Unlike their black hole counterparts, which betray their presence through gravitational waves and energetic emissions, white holes would announce themselves through sudden, explosive releases of energy, cosmic fireworks that could be mistaken for other phenomena. Astronomers have long been intrigued by mysterious bursts of energy, such as gamma-ray bursts and fast radio bursts. Could these fleeting flashes be signals from white holes? The answer remains unknown. As our technology advances, with ever more sensitive detectors and space observatories, we inch closer to possibly catching a glimpse of these cosmic phantoms. The discovery of a white hole would be a transformative moment in astrophysics, opening a window onto the most extreme corners of space-time. White holes not only challenge physics, they challenge our deepest philosophical notions. If time can be warped, reversed, or looped, what becomes of free will, causality, and existence itself? Could the past, present, and future coexist in a more fluid tapestry? Might the universe be eternal, cycling endlessly through creation and destruction, a cosmic phoenix rising from its ashes? These questions inspire awe and humility. They remind us that scientific exploration is inseparable from the human quest for meaning, a journey as much about our place in the cosmos as about the cosmos itself. Ultimately, the quest to understand white holes is a testament to the boundless curiosity of the human spirit. From ancient stargazers to modern physicists, we are driven by a desire to comprehend the universe's most profound mysteries. White holes embody this spirit of exploration, challenging us to think beyond the known, to question reality's limits, and to embrace the wonder of the unknown. Whether white holes remain theoretical constructs or become observed phenomena, their study pushes the frontier of human knowledge, inspiring generations to dream bigger, explore deeper, and reach further into the cosmic ocean. As we stand on the precipice of discovery, white holes beckon us toward a future where the boundaries of time, space, and reality may blur and transform. They invite us to imagine a universe far stranger and more beautiful than we ever dared dream. A universe where time machines might exist, where cosmic rebirths shape existence, and where the mysteries of the cosmos continue to unfold in an endless, awe-inspiring journey. The search for white holes is more than a scientific endeavor. It is a voyage into the heart of reality, a story of human curiosity reaching out to touch the infinite.